All right, I'm not telling you to get rid of all your gas-powered saws. What I am telling you is that this Saker chainsaw from the TikTok shop is awesome to have, especially for your spring cleanup projects that are coming, cleaning up brush, cutting down small saplings. This thing right here is 20 volt. You get 2 batteries and a hard carrying case. You get a pair of gloves, safety glasses, and 2 extra chains, all for a very affordable price. There's actually a flash sale going on right now. Anybody can use one of these. Stop wasting your time with those big chainsaws for those small jobs. Click on that link and get you one today.